So are you looking for trading and also investing your money, but you don't know if XTB is actually worth it or your time and also for your investment? So in this video, I'm going to share with you if XTB is actually scamming people or if it's actually a good broker that you can use. I'm going to focus in this video if they're offering demo account, if they are regulated, also what kind of fees they have, if they are high and low, what kind of instruments they are offering. So all of that, all the important things you will learn in this video. So let's start here, and let me just start with things that I prepared for you. Now, the first thing first, XTB is not a scam. That's a good news. It's regulated by several financial authorities, UK Financial Conduct Authority. Also, XTB is listed on the Warsaw Stock Exchange, so they're required to disclose their financials. Now, XTB have been here for a long time right now, and if you're thinking about using XTB, there is going to be also a link down below in the description. Probably you will get a bonus if they got some maybe promotion, but you're not going to make a mistake if you're going to choose XTB. That's what I wanted to say. Now, when you go further, their customer support is great. That's another thing. Also, they offer demo account, and I create a tutorial on how you can use the demo account and also how we can use their web trading platform, so you can find it also on YouTube. So that's really good. Now, when we go even further, they have the trading fees are low. They are not high at all, so that's also really good news. Inactivity fee, they have inactivity fee, and I'm going to show you straight away in a moment what kind of fees they have. They don't have any minimum deposit, so that's really good. And then withdrawal fee amount is 0. So time to open account, it will take you like 1 to 2 days to open it. And then also, as I mentioned, they offer demo account, and they got real stocks and ETFs, and they got also the CFD. So what about some advantages and disadvantages about XTB? So they got low Forex CFD fees, commission-free stocks. If you want to buy stocks, XTB is a good choice for it. And for some countries, you can have also ETFs. The deposit and withdrawal is quick, so you don't have to be afraid that you wouldn't be able to withdraw money from XTB because XTB is legit. Then also the account opening is simple, so even when I was creating normal account or demo account, both times it went really fast and good way. But the product portfolio is mostly SFDs, so if you're looking for just trading Forex without CFDs, you're not going to find it with XTB. Limited fundamental data, and then you're going to have the inactivity fee. So what is the inactivity fee? Let's jump right there. I'm going to show you. So they have €10 per month after 1 year of trading inactivity, and no deposit was made in the last 90 days. So again, €10 per month after 1 year of trading inactivity, and if there is no deposit in the last 90 days. Other than that, no account fee, no deposit, no withdrawal fees. So this is really, really good. Now, the Forex fees, Forex CFD fees, they're low. They're not high at all, so that's also pretty good. The stocks are free, so that's also really good. Opening trading account is simple. A deposit and withdrawal, you can have e-wallets, so that's also really good. You can use PayPal, Skrill, MasterCard, Visa. And then you're going to have also for depositing. And then you're going to have the web trading platform, which is also pretty good here. And I'm going to show you how it looks like in a moment. They got also the mobile trading platform. That's what I wanted to share with you. So when you come here to XTB trading, online trading on Google Play, for example, you can see those reviews are also great. And plenty of people are happy with using it. Not Julia Roberts. And I created like whole tutorial on XTB trading platform. And you can find it right here that you could find it. So they got plenty of reviews here, key findings, And what I really like is about web platform that it's like simple to use, and you're not going to make a mistake if you're going to use it. When you look also on the reviews here, simple, clear, and very well designed mobile application, but you can click on information for portfolio. Nice handling, nice service, great service. No English language option. The best online broker. Everything with this broker has worked perfectly so far for me. So as you can see, like a lot of people are actually satisfied with what they're doing. I'm customer of the platform in Poland and representatives in other countries for almost 2 years. And they got everything like solved in a matter of hours. So to summarize this whole video, what we actually learn and what we can understand, XTB with limited like options here when you're gonna have the CFDs most of the time, and also the stocks. They got good web trading platform, easy open account opening. You can easily deposit money, easily trade. The customer support is great. If you're gonna have any questions, they're gonna like answer all what you have to need. And also the Google Play app is positive, so that's something that is great also. And then you're always gonna have also the sentiment here, who is selling and who is buying. So that's another thing. And that's pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. My recommendation is you can also use the link down below in the description that I'm affiliated with the XTB. You can also, my recommendation is definitely demo account. Don't jump into the like trading if you don't have any experience with like CFDs. So that's definitely a thing here. And also like you can also check the competition comparing to XTB, but when I look here and I'm going to show the alternatives, you can have the Hero, eToro. eToro is also a pretty great platform, and you can have the list of all the platforms in the description that you can like find and open account also with eToro or the Hero or Trading 212 or Plus 500 or even TradeWheel. So that's a Romanian that you can use. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya and goodbye.